In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a $250 Wayfair coupon code step by step for 2025. Whether you're redecorating your home or just looking to spruce up a room with some new furnishings, this guide will ensure you maximize your savings at Wayfair. So let's get started on this money-saving journey. Our first step is to head over to Wayfair's website. Simply open up your web browser and type in wayfair.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by Wayfair's vast array of products ranging from furniture to home decor. Once you're on the Wayfair homepage, the next step is logging into your account. Look for the login option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. This only takes a few minutes and simply requires your email and a password. Make sure your credentials are secure to protect any personal information. After logging in, navigate to the section for coupon codes, which is often labeled as coupon follow or similar. This section is the heart of where you can scoop up discounts. Here you can stay updated with the latest deals and special coupon offers that are available. Look for the search bar, typically located at the top of the page. In this search bar, type Wayfair coupons and hit enter. This will pull up a list of the current coupon codes available. It's a good idea to keep this page bookmarked or check regularly, as these codes are constantly being updated. Browse through the list of coupon codes available. Be sure to read the details of each one carefully. Some codes may apply to specific items or categories, while others might be applicable only if you meet a minimum purchase requirement. Make sure to check these details so you know exactly how to apply them to your order effectively. It's important to note that the coupon codes are updated regularly, which means what's available one day might be gone the next. For this reason, checking back often can help you snag the best deals before they expire. Once you find a coupon that meets your needs, click to view it in detail. Take note of what is required to redeem this offer and any expiration dates. After ensuring it suits your shopping needs, apply the code to your account. This is typically done during the checkout process by entering the code in the designated promo code box. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to grab a $250 Wayfair coupon code, boosting your savings significantly. Happy shopping!